In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude shipping locations on eBay. This can be incredibly useful for sellers who want to avoid shipping to certain regions, either due to high shipping costs, delivery constraints, or other specific reasons. So, let's get started and walk through the process together. First things first, head over to ebay.com and sign into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as this will ensure you have access to the seller settings we need to adjust. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay. You'll find this at the top right of the homepage. If you're utilizing the Seller Hub, you might directly access it, which offers a streamlined management console for all your selling activities. Next, you want to click on Selling. This will bring you to a detailed overview of all your listings and sales metrics. Now, look for the option that says Listings. Here you have the choice to either create a new listing or edit an existing one. For the purpose of demonstrating, let's say we are editing an existing listing. Click on the listing you wish to modify. Scroll down to find the shipping section. This part of the listing allows you to define how you'd like items to be delivered to your buyers. Look towards the right side of this section and you'll see an option labeled Shipping Options. Clicking this will open up more detailed shipping settings. From the available options, you'll want to find the drop-down menu labeled Excluded Locations. Toggle this option to the On position. This opens up a new area where you can specify locations you prefer not to ship to. Scroll down a bit further and you'll see a section for excluded locations. Click on the drop down arrow associated with this to reveal a comprehensive list of regions and countries. Here you can check the boxes next to any area you wish to exclude. It's a good practice to review these choices carefully to ensure you don't inadvertently exclude valuable customer regions or miss out on potential sales opportunities. Once you've made your selections, it's crucial not to forget the final and essential step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, typically at the bottom or top right of the listing page, and click it to apply your modifications to the listing. And there you have it. You've successfully set up exclusions for specific shipping locations on eBay. Remember, making these adjustments ensures you control your selling parameters and align them with your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process clear and straightforward for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides.